The Otsego County Jail is still closed and isn't housing any inmates. Our Jen Seelig has your update on the repairs and talks about potentially building a new correctional facility in the future.
As repairs are being done here at the Otsego County Jail, inmates have been transferred to other facilities in nearby counties. But Sheriff Devlin tells me that he hopes in the near future he'll see Otsego County build a new correctional facility.
You know, do we look at building a new building, or do we continue to put money into this building and make it work?
Sheriff Devlin went to the county to address it.
I think if the county wants to properly have the latest availability of how we do corrections now, that they would need a new building. We have a linear facility, which is not how corrections is done anymore. It's direct supervision.
A 30-year-old facility with infrastructure issues that needed to be fixed a long time ago. Due to a leaky roof, the jail had to close its doors back in November.
We've had some maintenance issues over the years. Buildings condition has declined, and came to the point where we had to do renovations to fix that. We did renovate the dormitory area, which is in progress. It's supposed to be done hopefully by the end of the month.
Since the jail's been closed, there's been other issues that have been pointed out.
Sewerage and water, our plumbing's in poor shape.
And it's costing the county every day as those inmates are being held at other facilities.
We're getting charged $80 a day approximately per inmate, so we're spending right now between $3,000 and $4,000 daily.
And once repairs are complete,
we have to apply to the New York State Commission of Corrections to reoccupy the building. They'll come down and inspect, tell us if things are appropriate or not appropriate.
Although temporary repairs are being fixed, Sheriff Devlin wants to focus on the long-term solutions.
Next year, we'll have a serious conversation and maybe get some sort of direction of how we're going to head in the future. We need to plan, you know, not only for the next few years, we need to plan for the next 20 and 30 years.
Sheriff Devlin says that repairs should be done and inmates should be coming back here mid-February. Reporting in Otsego County, Jen Seelig, Eyewitness News.